Hi everyone, we're back with another simple leftovers meal. We're going to do a really basic egg fried rice using up all your leftover ingredients in the cupboards, in the fridge, in the freezer. So you're going to want to start off by getting all your fresh ingredients prepped. You want everything at your fingertips because it's going to cook so quick. You don't want to be fumbling around, chopping stuff up while you're cooking it. So let's get everything prepped up first and then we can start cooking. I'm going to deseed this chilli just because I don't want to make it too spicy. Scrape the seeds out. There you go. Last one, the garlic. So that's all of our fresh ingredients prepped up now. We're going to start cooking now. Right, so I've got the pan onto a really high heat. A couple of tablespoons of veg oil in there. And then we're going to start off by adding the garlic and the chilies. We're adding the garlic and the chilies first, just to cook them off a little bit, just so the chilies aren't too spicy and the garlic mellows out a little bit. So just going to cook that for about a minute. Right, so that's gone for about a minute. I'm going to add pre-cooked rice. This has been in the fridge overnight, chilled. Get that in there. But all we're going to try and do is just break this up. Make sure there's no big clumps in there. Into this now, I'm going to add chicken, which is just some leftover cooked chicken from the fridge. Also, some mixed veg. Give that a good mix around. And then what we want to do is we want to make a little well in the middle. And that's where we're going to crack our eggs into. So I'm just going to crack the eggs into a bowl. Give them a whisk up. Get rid of any rogue shells in there and just tip it straight in. Start to stir this straight away. Mix it all together. You want to let this go for about another 1 to 2 minutes, just until the egg starts to cook. The beauty about this is, if you want to adjust the quantities, if you're cooking for one person, obviously just add less. If you're cooking for more people, add more rice, add more veg, add more chicken. Just ensure your rice is thoroughly cooked through. It's piping hot. So the egg's cooked in there now. Gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. You'll notice it's going to stain the rice, a really nice colour. Mix it all around. Last thing to go in, spring onions to finish it off. Give it a mix around. Give it a taste test as well. Obviously adjust it as and how you see fit. Got a little bit of pepper in there. Then I'm going to add a touch of salt in there as well. One final mix. And there we go. It's all about just plating it up nice now. So I've got a bowl. I'm just going to cram as much of it into this bowl as I can. Nice generous portion. Got some spring onions left, a bit of garnish on there, just to make it look pretty. And there you go, leftover egg fried rice, done with all the things knocking about in your cupboard, fridge, freezer.